Din, may piyansa ho ba ito? Doon, kumbaga kung preliminary, ano ho ito, no, trial, para ba itong sa atin po sa mga fiscal and then yung establishment po ng probable cause, ano ho ba ang ano dito ang pinagbabatayan po natin na rule of evidence and then ganun ba yung pag mahina ang ebidensya, pwede ka muna magpiyansa o paano po?
Walang piyansa dito, Ted, because the crimes committed are very serious, di ba? Hindi naman ito kahit ano crime pwede dali sa ICC, crimes against humanity, di ba, which is tinatawag niya ang definition of direct attack on a segment of the population. So, so-called drug users, addicts, suspects, di ba? So, it's very serious, diba? So wala siyang piyansa na available. Pero ang quantum of evidence or proof pala, proof mo na, proof beyond reasonable doubt, kasi criminal case.
Opo.
So, ano ito, Ted, we can assure the family of President Duterte and his supporters, he probably has a better, he's a good chance, he'll be treated very well due process-wise. I mean, sa Pilipinas, many courts will also treat you very well, but some courts might not be, di ba? Medyo may uncertainty, minsan unpredictability. Pero sa ICC, highest standards yan of judicial behavior. No? Ang alam ko, nakadalan ako sa ICC several times to visit friends there, judges or friends that doon, you cannot even talk about cases with your colleagues. Kasi napaka-stricto sila sa conflict of interest, napaka-strict nila sa rules nila of evidence at lahat.
So, Dean, saan ang detention nito? Habang nagpapatuloy po, kapag ba nasa preliminary stage pa lang po nitong trial, meron bang specific detention center ang ICC para doon mo naman nanatili yung pong nahaharap na respondent?
Yes. They have both detention facility for mga arrested people, mga accused, suspects and accused. And then they have also a prison for those who are convicted. No? Kasi international criminal system ito, hindi to related to the Dutch system at lahat, di ba? And again, let's assure the family of President Duterte and his supporters na maganda ang that he's probably going to be more comfortable there and has better medical assistance in The Hague, di ba, the world class, than even in Davao. No? I mean, kasi although simple ng tao naman daw si President Duterte, but basic naman, but very good. No? I think ang problema siguro walang kanin, di ba? And he cannot order pizza as much as he wants to, di ba? Walang only rice.